Hey, this is Chelsea from AHA. Software development teams, I'm talking to you. You juggle a lot. You're working on new feature functionality, improvements, and bug fixes every day. Well, good news. We just made it easier for you to differentiate between these different types of work with new icons and colors that show up where you plan and track progress, like the workflow board in AHA Develop, or let's say the features board in AHA Roadmaps. Let's check it out. Okay, here we are in account settings looking at statuses and workflows. If I scroll all the way down to the bottom to custom types, we now see an option to add a color and icon to each feature type. So I want my bugs to really stand out, so I'm gonna add the dreaded red color, and an insect icon to all of my bugs, really calling that out. These changes save automatically, so let's hop over to our workflow board in AHA Develop. We can check out our handiwork. Now when I click add, you see all of these customized types are automatically saved, and I can quickly specify the type of work I want to work on. So I can click the bug icon, quickly fill out all the information saved in this customized card. It's pretty great. Okay, so now I want to jazz up my board a little bit. Let's have some fun. I'm going to go to customize card layout, search by type. There's my bug. Drag it right over to my record layout card. Then let's see, feature type by background, highlight that, click save, save changes. All right, and then after a quick refresh, check out my board. Yay, okay, everything's saved. There's my bug, there's my launching guy, there's my star. It is all super easy to identify. I love that. Then I can even search by user story type and further segment all this information. So that's it. These icons can appear in your sprint planning work, your features board, your records, pills, your list reports, really everything, just making it super easy to see the variety of work your team's tackling. Now you can go make it your own.